So guys, allow me to share the link. So let's give people some few minutes to join. Ah, nice. People are joining. Way. I'm sorry, guys. The group is there, man. We just created a new one. So I will attach a link. Mm. Okay, so we are about to start. Yes, we will do. We will do the analysis. What do you think on your side about GBP JPY? Okay, let's start. So guys, we will do quickly. Sorry about the sound, my sound engineer. No, there is no sound engineer. I'm joking. Okay, let's start. So, yeah. Let's start with gold. I hope you all can see. I was telling you on the previous video that we ended. Let me delete it, in fact. I was telling you yesterday, I was... okay, so I was telling you yesterday, I'm trying to delete the video that we did, and then the sound disappeared. Sindio? That's what I'm trying to do. What? To do what? To delete. So guys, I was telling you yesterday, we predicted this imbalance, okay? But now I was afraid to take the trade. What happened? Actually, it reacted and to the sell. Although I was afraid, it did not even buy. I thought it would buy at least to this zone, then we can sell. So it did not react to any sell zone. It just sold to this zone. So it was a missed entry, but it's a good thing that the we had the trade. Now, as I've told you before, now this momentum is so crazy. Okay, we might be planning, gold might be planning to push to these levels. Okay, gold might be selling to these zones. So no matter how much we want it to buy to the new high, it's always good to consider the possibility of the other direction. You remember yesterday I told you for the sales, but I was afraid. Okay, now today I don't want to be afraid. I'm thinking, why don't we just ride with the movement? Hey, but what's happening today? Yes, let's ride with the movement. Are you guys with me? Of course, you're with me, my people. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, do you get my point? Yesterday we ignored because I wanted it to buy to these levels. So I'm thinking today, let's not ignore and try make maximum out of it. Let me show you what I'm saying. Oh, this thing is lagging. Wait, is it normal? Hmm? Okay. So my laptop, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not even connected to the charge. I don't know. Okay, let me close trading view and open because it's not the laptop, it's trading view. So let's open trading view again. So you guys get my point? My point is I'm looking for gold sales right now. Let me even start scalping and give my wife the signal. Okay, that's good. Are we together? Yes. So I would prefer we push gold to the downside instead of trying to push it to the other side that it has not given us a confluence, because this was merely mitigated. This was just spiked, okay? And I feel, even if, guys, listen, I think even if we will buy, we'll have, okay, for me, guys, I would love, I know everyone is after buys. You see, why am I explaining myself this hard? Because I know everyone wants me to tell you we are buying to the new higher high. But to be honest, it's always good to think of the other direction. You understand, guys? We have to see the both possibilities. Yes, we want it to buy to the new higher high, but is there a possibility of it selling before going to the new higher high? You understand? Yes, there's a possibility of selling maybe below this zone, okay? Because we have something we call a double bottom, maybe. So that's one of the confluences. So for me, I would look at gold sales, but we will confirm as we continue because of the correlation that I was telling you guys. Remember, you get, guys, huh? Sindio, guys, my class today will be very quickly because the first video already took a lot of time and it failed. Okay, so we head over to Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's see what it did yesterday. Yesterday, I told you it sold to this zone, even though we did not get that zone. You see, at least we were right on selling to buy, and it was a good buy. Now, if you notice, we formed something we call double bottom, and that's a liquidity that we will clear. Even if it's not today, we will clear out one day. First thing we have to understand, we have to go to straight to Tokyo, not Tokyo session, Asian session. Guys, I have a dog called Tokyo. I've just thought of it when I was saying Tokyo. Hey man, I love my dogs. Wey Mungu wangu. Haya. So what are we seeing today? This thing sold massively yesterday after, and it came react. It has taken out the all-time. Let me show you. It has, you see, so it took some crazy cells, created a. You see, this is a zone. Yes, this is a buy zone. By the way, let me clear out. This is a buy zone. Okay, this is a very valid buy zone. Okay, but if you check, did it sell to come to this buy zone and then buy, or it came to this buy zone to continue selling? See if I'm making sense. Let me repeat myself. Euro USD yesterday bought, sindio. After buying, it pushed for sales, sindio, to this current buy zone. Now I'm asking, do you think it came to buy? Did it come here so that it can buy, or it came here so that it can continue selling? Now, how do you know this, guys? We have something we call confirmation entry. Now, this is what happened when Euro USD hit our zone. When Euro USD hit our zone, here it reacted on buys. You see, and the buys are building momentum until getting to this zone, actually went below, and then it's buying. Okay, now that's the buy possibility. Okay, so it has been making new higher high, and took out the Asian high, so we are hoping for more buys. Okay, but if we look closely here, we have something we call double bottom liquidity, just as gold has. Okay, so that's one. This is another reason why we should be hoping for sales. Another reason we should be hoping for sales is, instead of Euro USD continuing with its buy momentum like that, and like that, sindio, it actually went below the previous high, even though it broke with a wick, so that we cannot count. So what are we looking at? Euro USD. So for Euro USD, if you want to trade, I would advise you to wait. This is the confirmation entry. If it goes above this point here, you see this zone here, it should react like that. And if it comes here, it should also react like that. And if now we will enter our trade above this zone. Now this is patience, guys, yeah, because I will tell you one thing. The moment this market breaks above this, that's a confirmation we are on buys. You get? Now I've been talking a lot, but I don't know if you guys are with me. Are you with me, guys? I'm saying, if gold goes above, if Euro USD goes above this zone, it will retrace around this zone. After breaking this zone, that's when we can only enter buys safely. Let me even confirm with my AI. You see, guys, we are preparing this AI, we are backtesting it. Hey, it's been a work. I think I announced it too early. No valid setup. According to the AI, Euro USD has no valid setup right now. Yes, because as I've told you, we don't have any reason to buy or sell. Right now, you can only scalp. Okay, because you can see, guys, it is approaching this zone. It can approach this zone and sell massively. That's one probability. But now that's risky for us if we start dealing with probability in that manner. So what we want to do for confirmation entry, we want to go above this zone. We don't want to break it with a wick, we want to break it with a body, meaning we have change of character. After breaking that, we will have to go above this zone, and then we get our entry here. That's what a professional trader would do. You get my point, guys? So you want it to break, and then it comes here, and then you take your buys. That would be the valid entry. That's why you see even the AI is not giving an entry right now, because it doesn't know how to scalp. It knows how to use the market sentiments. Okay, are we together? Are we together, my people? Kosalama cousins. Higher. That's Euro USD. So I'm saying we don't know if it's buying to here to sell to clear out this liquidity, or it's going above. So it's better to just watch it. Okay, we go to GBP USD. So GBP USD, yesterday I gave this sell, and this was take profit one. Unfortunately, it just took out take profit one and then bought like crazy. Now, what did we miss out yesterday on? It actually bought to this zone. That was a simple selling zone. Even a kid could have seen that. Okay. But we assumed it would have gone to this. I hoped it would touch this zone. Just like, um, what do you call it? Just like Euro USD. So yesterday the trade was, it was not a loss, it was not a win, because it ended up in take profit one. Take profit one, what happens? You move stop loss to entry, so you close your trade at zero positive, zero negative, unless you closed at For me, it exited at zero profit, zero. Now this is what we call the Asian session that I've started with. Okay, now you see GBP USD has done the exact opposite of Euro USD. GBP USD has taken out the Asian low. But taking out the Asian low, it has activated this zone that is actually a buy zone here. It's actually a buy zone up for okay. It has actually taken out the Asian low, also mitigating the Asian the buy. So if you can see here, we have something we call some resistance zone. Sindio? Resistance, I normally color it as black. So this is what people would trade. So if you see why I'm calling it a resistance, is it resistance or support? The market came, bounced off, came, bounced off, came, bounced off, almost bounced off, came, bounced off, came, bounced off, came, bounced off, and it's buying. So we are expecting some bounce off, then we take it out. Okay, so we should be aiming to scalp buys until this zone. This should be our take profit one for GBP USD. So that's yes. But now, right now, as you're analyzing this market, we cannot take this buy unless you scalp buy to this zone and you yes, let's do that, guys, because we don't have any other trade. Let's scalp buys TP1 as 1.35761, because after that we will be confused whether it will okay. I hope you get my point. Now, we cannot buy above this zone because it should react, because you see it's already really retested. I don't know if it's resistant or support. I don't know how you guys call it. Yeah? So it's highly retested. So we are expecting a bounce of from this zone. Okay. Oh no, guys, this should be TP1 here. Let me see if my AI has something on GBP USD. So that's the way it should be. After hitting this, we are expecting some selling momentum, and then we get the momentum to break above this resistance. Haya, sawa sawa, tunaelewana? Now, someone is saying I've said we sell gold and then they have blown. How can you blow your account from here to here, guys? Sometimes it's good to be practical. Don't want to offend me, and I won't be offended because you don't have to type if you don't have anything to type. How can you blow with this movement from here to here? And it's even selling. So you should have at least 0.01 profit. Haya, sawa sawa. So guys, I want us to learn to, guys, you see the why I explain whenever I'm analyzing, because I want to get to a point where if you see me making the wrong analysis, you can confidently correct me. Like the guy that corrected me about the M formation and W formation. I love that guy. That is someone that has been attending, and that guy, if he continues like that, he will go far. That is someone that is very keen on my classes. Sawa sawa. See? Hmm? Guys, you guys are not saying anything. Can we continue? So GBP USD, I'm hoping for a retracement to this zone. If we hit this zone and then we sell off, perfectly fine. Euro USD, I've told you to wait. Don't take, it's in a very bad zone. Unless you want to take the risk with me, and if you want to take the risk with me, I would ask you to sell. Who's this calling me when I'm live? Hello? Wasana. Niko salama. Eh, David mgani? Oh, akili hata niko live nilikuwa nashangaa. Wacha nimalize niko live class haya. This guy is there. We continue. Poleni sana. We are done with the Euro USD. Now let's go to DXY to confirm our setup on. Now, yesterday, you see the way I was telling you. Yesterday, we took out this sell and later reacted to this sell and it sold like crazy. So let's draw the Asian session. Higher. So yesterday, DXY reacted off this zone that we had drawn yesterday, came, sold like crazy, did not take out the lowest point, and started buying. And it bought like crazy to, it did not go above yesterday's Asian high. Came to this zone, sold, and consolidated. So it's pushing for more sales. So according to DXY, I would be hoping for sales below this zone. Now, this what zone is this that we have on DXY? What is this zone? Is it a buy zone or a sell zone? I don't remember. We do it. We using the higher time frame. I want to understand what is this zone. Is it a buy zone or a sell zone? So it's a buy zone. So it's actually a buy zone. I don't know why we colored it red. It should be like something like okay. So I would be hoping for more buys because we have taken off. Yes, I would be hoping for more buys on. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I've looked at it in another way. Okay, let me explain you what has changed my mind on DXY. For account management, you inbox me. I will attach my link. If you inbox another person and you lose your money, don't blame me because there are a lot of scammers using my name. Let me tell you my market sentiment. I mean, my view of this market currently. Okay, so this market has been selling. After hitting this zone, okay, it has started reacting off some very good buys without taking the lowest point. This was the previous lowest point. Sindio, it came back, did not take the lowest point, took at the highest point, okay, and then also came back but did not take the lowest point. So what are we hoping for? We are hoping for more buys currently right now. You understand my thoughts? Okay, yes, even though this was a successful sell, so I'm hoping for more buys. So meaning we should be looking for sells on gold. Yes. GBP sells. Yes. Euro USD sells. Sawa sawa. Confirmation for okay. TP1. So guys, this is the trade we should all be taking. 15493. Hmm? Sawa sawa, my people. Higher. We have gold confirmed sells based on DXY because we would be hoping. Oh, DXY also, guys. There is this probability also. Let me not ignore it. It might come down to take out the Asian low. So in case things change, I will update online on our Telegram as usual. So yesterday DXY, I had a good. This was the best trade that we could have taken yesterday. You see, guys, I told you DX NAS 100 would sell to this zone, but you see where my line is. You see where we set our alert. I hope you guys can see here. It just came above, so we missed that entry because of this distance. That's why I tell you guys, if you see me marking zones, you try to keep it maybe mark somewhere on your own so that you can tell me, hey, Nebs, actually the market came to your zone but did not touch it. You see, we missed a lot of money. You see all this movement because my zone is here and market just got here. So if someone told me maybe we could have entered around here and we could have taken a good trade, so for that I will blame you guys. For me, I gave you a very good entry. So yes, it was simple like that. Broke out the Asian high, came back, bought like crazy. Making money for those that took that trade apart from us, obviously. We start with the Asian session to 9 a.m. Sawa sawa. Yes. Oh my God. Sawa. Nice, 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 nice. So this is the Asian low, and it is liquidated with what? Double bottom. So what are we hoping for? We are just hoping for our sell because you have already taken out the Asian high. I would just wait for the market to come here and we sell like crazy. Simple. No story, no stories. For that is that simple. Okay. Hello. Unaonaje? Sawa. So guys, it's that simple. For NAS 100, you just wait for it to come to our zone and then we sell to clear out this liquidity. Yes. Maybe sell to this zone. Maybe I would hope for sales to here. Yes, this is a zone that I would be hoping for. Sawa sawa. Yes. Ooh. Higher. Let's head over to GBP JPY. Someone asked for it. I've told you guys I hate GBP JPY. You see what it does? I think it is more of a hey, who's this man? Hello. I just told this guy I'm live. I'm gonna see. Higher. You see, guys, why I avoid GBP JPY. GBP JPY, yes, we had an entry yesterday. You see, very nice entry, but it decided to hit our stop loss and then took that trade that we had in mind. So that's why I seem to avoid GBP JPY. But let me draw the Asian session. We see. Let's analyze it for the guy that wants it. Oh, it's a girl. If you see a girl watching all this 1 hour, man, God remind you. Oh, God remember you. That was supposed to be a joke, guys. At least to make the class lively. So we have this zone that has triggered the buys. That zone you cannot see it if you are not a Kamal Bull strategy student. But this zone caused this buy spike. So what would you be hoping for? You'd only hope for a retracement to this zone and then you take your buys. Yes, that's the only thing. Your target profit should be just there. That's the only thing I can give for now. Or you scalp buys to that zone. Are we together? Do you guys love candies? I can give you. Are you together, guys? Gold is behaving as predicted. Let me call my wife and tell her to scalp some gold cells. So scalp cells za gold hapo teketeke. Ona kaitaka itakupea kitu ya. So guys, we continue. Hey, someone just called me on live to confirm that it is me. So the Kamal Bull strategy, guys, I want to teach it for you for free. Mwezi pata. But if you are willing, I will teach you for free. I hope I shall engage trade. So I'm happy our trades are going in accordance to our prediction. Yes. So what we do, we head over to BTC USD and we finish with BTC USD. So This is a zone that I expected BTC USD to respect, and it did, but very weakly. Let's say it did not respect the zone. Let's just say it did not respect the zone. In fact, it came and respected the zone above. It respected this zone instead. Okay. Yes. All right. Now, I want you to, I will teach Kamal Bull strategy starting maybe next month. Yes, next month, July 1st. I will teach my strategy for free. Hmm, July 1st. I will create a banner. Okay, so let's draw the Asian session 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. Hey, crypto traders, wait. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Came to this zone, it's selling and it will sell more. So if I were you, I would sell BTC USD right now. Yes. Let me see if my eye can see that trade. Why is that? It according to my AI, it's not a valid trade. But for me, it's a valid trade one. Oh, it has not met the confluence of volume. I understand why. Higher, but for me, I will sell BTC USD right now, and the setup should look like that. Yes. Now ask your questions. We have finished our analysis, and let me take that trade. So starting 1st June, we will share our. I will share my strategy. Yeah. Guys, did you guys activate the 100% bonus? Hmm? Wait, guys, able talk to me. Do you guys use the 100%, 200% bonus that I gave? Hmm? Alright, ask your questions, fire up your questions. We call it a day. Thank you so much for joining. I will be teaching you Kamal Bull's strategy starting here on YouTube. What's wrong with gold? Ask your questions really quickly, my people. Eh? Gold, what has it done? It's moving slowly. I don't see anything wrong with it. Hmm? Ask your questions really quickly. Fire up your questions. Hmm? Fire up your questions. Fire up your questions, my people. Bro, do you sometimes wait for the to reach your zone? Maybe wait. You can wait even for 1 month for your zone to hit. It doesn't have to hit. We just trade what we see. Sometimes unless you want to scalp. How long did it take you to be profitable? Ay, ay, ay. I've been trading since I was from for over 7 years. And I started being profitable maybe the first I went to campus, finished my first year. During second year, I bought my first car. So around it took me like I don't remember. Sijui 3 years ama 2 years. So unajua I don't keep count of such things. You cannot add entries right now. You have to wait for it to move. Kindly explain why you look at the Asian session. Why do you have to look at Asian session always before you start trading? Because I thought if you are not in our class, just go watch the video that I made. We have characteristics of trading session. We have characteristics of London session. We have characteristics of New York session, and we have characteristics of Tokyo session. I mean, Asian session. So if Asian session behaves in a certain way, eh, I will know what to do in London session. Or I contacted them, they did not give me a reply. Clinton Yaga. But if they reply, I will keep you guys posted. Okay? Yes, can we call it a day? It has accumulated for two sections consecutively. Then I have to pick this call, guys, please. Hello. Poa sana. Ah, ulisema nauza how much? Juu nataka mob, mwambie nataka mob, lakini nataka ile ya large breed. Mwambie nataka mob, ajipange tu. Haya. Haya. If you are a little bit late, just move the video backwards. No, the 100% is there, bana. Even 200%. Look at your homepage if you used my link. Yes, you see that some Bugwa knows what I taught. It has accumulated for two sessions consecutively. Then kindly share your screen for good. Oh, Bugwa doesn't know. Just move the video backwards. It's not even far. It's the last thing we talked about. Making current zone a support or resistance as well. Any other questions before I go? I'm happy with today's analysis. It was not brainstorming. Okay. Aya, let's call it a day, you guys. I see you are not asking questions. Remember, tomorrow, same time. And I will feed you signals live. Today I'm doing live sessions, live trading signals. Okay? So don't miss out. Don't miss out. Kesho 10 a.m. tupatane Telegram. I'm giving you the signals. I'm not, if every signal I take today, I will give it for you for free. Sawa, asanteni sana my people. Let's meet tomorrow 10 a.m.